Welcome, young scientists! Today, we're going to unlock one of the biggest mysteries of life: how to stay young.
You mean like never getting old?
Not exactly, Lily. Aging is natural, but science shows we can slow it down.
Aging starts inside our cells, the tiny building blocks of your body. Each time they copy themselves, little errors build up.
Like when I copy homework and make spelling mistakes?
Exactly. Over time, these tiny mistakes make our cells weaker.
Fun fact. A human body has about 37 trillion cells. That's a lot of copies.
There are many reasons. Some we can control, some we can't.
Oxidative stress. Oxygen can create unstable molecules called free radicals that damage cells.
Then won't it still widen it? No! So it's not just birthdays that make us older?
Healthy food is like armor for your cells.
So, what are the superhero foods, Professor?
Let's meet them. Blueberries, packed with antioxidants that protect DNA. Nuts and seeds give good fats for your heart. Green veggies, full of vitamins that help repair cells. Fish, omega-3s that keep your brain sharp.
Hydration activated. Glug, glug, glug.
Want to stay young? Move your body. Exercise increases blood flow and oxygen, which helps cells repair faster.
So dancing counts too?
Of course. Dancing, jumping, walking, anything that gets your heart beating.
Studies show people who move every day live longer and feel younger. Even 20 minutes a day makes a big difference.
Yes, spend time with people you love, help others, and stay curious. That's real youth energy.
Happiness level 100%.
And what about stress? My circuits feel hot when stressed.
Stress releases cortisol, a hormone that makes cells age.
Sunlight gives us vitamin D, great for bones and mood, but too much damages skin cells.
So sunscreen is our shield?
Exactly. Wear sunscreen, hats, and sunglasses. Protecting skin from UV keeps it young and glowing.
SPF 1000 mode activated. Beep, beep.
Did you know happy people live longer? Laughter releases chemicals called endorphins that boost immunity.
And remember, being young isn't about your age, Thej. It's about how you live every day.
Move your body.
Sleep deeply, yo.
Stay calm and positive, go.
Wow. Growing up doesn't mean getting old. It means getting wiser and stronger. Beep. Youth detected in morning sunshine, fresh air, and happy smiles. Look, the kids are out in the park. I feel sleepy. When we run, our heart beats faster, Derek, pumping fresh blood to every cell. That's how our body stays. Let's stay active. Let's stay young.
Stay strong, stay happy, and stay young with BioLife Info. Don't forget to subscribe to BioLife Info for more amazing science adventures.